Have you ever encountered the dreaded briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance error in WordPress while updating your website? It's frustrating, but don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through all the possible ways to fix this error and prevent it from happening in the future. So, stay tuned till the end. What causes the error? This error occurs when WordPress updates core files, themes, or plugins. During the update process, a .maintenance file is temporarily created in your site's root directory to notify visitors about the maintenance mode. If the update is interrupted or fails, WordPress sometimes fails to remove this file, leaving your site in maintenance mode. Solution 1. Delete the .maintenance file. Step 1 is to delete the .maintenance file manually. Here's how. Access your WordPress files using FTP, cPanel File Manager, or your hosting dashboard. Locate the .maintenance file in the root directory, which is the main folder containing wp-admin, wp-content, and wp-includes. Delete the .maintenance file and refresh your website. If you don't see the file, make sure hidden files are visible in your FTP or File Manager settings. Solution 2. Increase PHP timeout limit. Sometimes the error happens because the PHP script times out during an update. You can increase the PHP execution time. Open your wp-config.php file in the root directory. Add this line of code before the "that's all, stop editing" comment. Save and upload the file back to your server. This increases the execution time to 300 seconds, giving WordPress enough time to complete updates. Solution 3. Update plugins or themes in small batches. Another preventive measure is to update plugins or themes in small batches. This avoids server overload and reduces the chances of interruptions during the update process. Here's how. Go to the Plugins or Themes section in your dashboard. Select a few items to update at a time, instead of updating all at once. Monitor the process to ensure everything updates smoothly. Solution 4. Clear WordPress cache. If the error persists, it might be due to cached files. Clear your WordPress cache using your caching plugin or hosting panel. This refreshes the website state and can remove lingering issues. Solution 5. Troubleshoot with your hosting provider. Sometimes the issue could be related to server restrictions. Contact your hosting provider and ask them to check your server logs or PHP limits. They can also help remove the .maintenance file if you're unable to locate it. Solution 6. Use WP-CLI to remove maintenance mode. If you're comfortable using the command line, WP-CLI is a powerful tool. You can remove the maintenance mode by running this command. This instantly disables maintenance mode and brings your site back online. Prevent future maintenance errors. To prevent this error in the future, Regularly update your WordPress site during low traffic times. Back up your site before making updates. Use a staging site to test updates safely. That's it. By following these steps, you can quickly fix and prevent the briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance error. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more WordPress tips. See you in the next video.